friends. You know, I haven't seen Sam for a long time. Do you by any chance know where he is? I'd better look for him. He must have come up with another prank or something. What was that?
Yes, I did it! Look, Sam!
What exactly did you do? Care to explain?
I just solved the most difficult labyrinth in the whole wide world! Now I'm the king of labyrinths!
Wow, this really is a hard one. So that's what you've been doing all this time. Well, now I know why I couldn't find you for so long.
Oh, poor me!
Hey, what's wrong with you? You were happy a moment ago.
Oh, Sue, I just understood that I don't have anything to do now. I solved all the labyrinths I'd found at home.
Oh, I've got an idea. So far, you've passed only 2D labyrinths, right?
Yeah?
What about a 3D one?
A what now?
A new labyrinth.
3-dimensional?
Exactly.
Wow, but where can we find one?
We won't find anything. We're gonna make one. Come on.
Awesome! To the crafting table!
For starters, we need a cardboard square like this one.
Hey, you tricked me! You promised there would be a 3D labyrinth!
No, Sammy, it's just a base. We're gonna use 2 pieces like this. Oh, and friends, be careful dealing with the cutter. You'd better ask an adult to help you. See? This is just what you should get.
Wait, hold it! Is it gonna be a cutout craft?
No, I just need to make the marking.
For what? There's no beginning, no end, no labyrinth?
Sammy, it won't be a labyrinth you're used to, but you'll like it, I promise. By the way, could you cut a notch in the second piece? Just be careful.
You got it! Safety's my middle name, ma'am. While you were doing the markings, I finished this piece all by myself.
Did you mark both sides like I did?
No, I thought it's needed only on one side.
Don't worry. You'll have time to finish it now. And I'll make a few more cuts. Alright, this part is ready. Did you finish yours, Sam? Sam? Sammy!
Yeah, I'm here. Sorry, I had to practice a little on another piece of a cardboard.
Well done! And hey, you even cut the notch! Great! Wait a second, did you say you practiced on one more piece of a cardboard?
Yeah, I thought you didn't need it. I'm so sorry!
Don't be! You actually did the right thing!
Really? I'm a genius! But why are you cutting it?
Let me finish and you'll see! Oh, I completely forgot to cut out the notches. They must be in the corners of these little squares. Here we go.
I would have never forgotten that. Ha!
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Tell me, who hid cookies under their pillow and couldn't find them for 3 hours?
Oh, well, if you knew where they were, you could have helped me. You know what? I have so many thoughts in my head. Friends, subscribe if you sometimes forget things too.
I have no doubt our friends almost never forget things. For example, they don't forget to hit the bell button so they won't miss our new videos.
Wait, is that just a plain cardboard? So not our style.
Whoops. Yeah, you're absolutely right. So, what do you suggest?
Colored paper, of course. Nothing's better than a couple of sheets of good old paper.
A couple of sheets, you say? Okay, then let's start decorating. All right. First, we need to create an outline of each cardboard piece.
Okay, got it. I'll do it in my office if you don't mind.
You mean on the other side of our craft table? All right. So here are our colored shapes. We use only these colors, right, Sammy?
Oh yeah, let's rock!
Now we'll make each piece a different color. This one is gonna be my favorite pink, and this one will be orange. Looking good, right? And from the other side too. Here comes light blue. Finally, it's a pretty purple. Oh, great!
Alrighty! Sue, check this out! Am I faster what?
Oh, wow! So many bright colors!
Whee! Oh, wait, it's still bright and colorful.
Sammy's already impressed while we haven't started assembling the craft yet.
I'm totally fine! So what? Slimes are very emotional. What's next?
Now let's start bringing all the pieces together.
Oh, it's getting more and more interesting!
We have to stick little squares right along these marks.
You know what? I've just been thinking, why do we need all these lines?
Oh, you're so attentive. I'm glad you noticed them.
Well, you know me. Nothing can hide from Sammy. For example, yesterday night I saw someone ate all my Nutella.
Well, that wasn't me for sure. I guess it just vanished. Yummy things tend to disappear, you know.
Oh, really?
Friends, did you notice how all your sweet candies, gummies, or Nutella disappear fast? Give us a thumbs up if yes. Okay, here we go. Sammy, I know we still have some remainings from the last craft. Be a dear, bring them here.
Ooh, nice rhyming, Sue. Were you talking about these?
Exactly. These cardboard strips is everything we need. Now let's make them pretty. And cut them into few little pieces.
I'm at your service.
Aw, great, thanks.
Be right back.
Never forget to be careful dealing with sharp objects, okay?
Yeah.
And just like that, we're moving on to the most interesting part. The labyrinth itself! This is exactly why we drew all the markings on the cardboard, to make it easier to build the whole thing. Here comes the last yellow piece. Great!
Done! I've got a whole lot of strips. Ooh, what are you doing?
Building a labyrinth, the most complicated one.
Whoa, can I try too?
Are you sure? Remember you have problems with glue.
Oh, right. Then better you manage this part instead.
Friends, do you remember our videos where Sam glued something to himself? Which one's your favorite, huh? Oh, I think it's coming out really well. What do you say about a labyrinth, Sammy? Sammy?
I'd say, whoa! Why do we need all these walls anyways? How will I draw lines in between them?
Oh, Sam, look at you. You don't need to draw lines for this labyrinth.
Really? But how do I solve it then?
Soon we'll finish making it and you will see.
Intrigue!
Oh, Sammy, you're such a brilliant helper. All the strips you've brought will come in handy.
Actually, I keep all the scraps that remain from our crafts.
Wait, but where can you keep so much cardboard?
Oh, I have a place. She just hasn't looked under the bed for a long time.
Why, you? That's why I hear rustling under my bed all the time. I already started thinking that we've got mice, but that was all you. Tomorrow we'll clean everything up and you won't talk your way out of it. Do you hear me, Sammy? You will help. A lot. You make a mess, you clean a mess.
Oh, shiver me cheddars, I hate cleaning. No, have mercy.
Haha. Friends, did you see how easy it is to frighten him? What about you? Do you like to help clean in the house? Sammy, where did you go? We're not done with the craft yet. I need some help. Sammy.
To do the cleaning? No, I'm sick.
My, what a cheater. I'm asking you to help me with the labyrinth.
Wow, what an amazing thing came out.
Feeling better already?
I just had a moment of sly momentary flu. Yeah, that's what it was.
More like someone just had a momentary attack of an illness called Little Liar.
Well, you admit that it's an illness, so fair's fair. Anyway, how does this thing work?
Well, we need a little, something round. Oh, Sam, what do you have there in your bag?
Where? What? Did I get dirty? Is that a bee?
Nope, but it's just what we need.
I found a ball!
Wait, I found it.
Oh.
So, are you ready to try a labyrinth in action? We should move it like this to make the ball move as well.
Ha! Easy peasy.
Don't celebrate beforehand. First, give it a try, because it's not as easy as it seems.
Okay, move, Susan. You're about to see how the professional does it.
One moment. Let me just print it right here.
Sue, this labyrinth was actually made for me.
Okay, fine. I only wanted to make sure that it's difficult enough for a professional like you. A little bit more and
Hey, not fair.
Okay, here you are.
Ha, that's better.
Just don't be upset when you'll see that I'm quicker and solving in this than you. What's taking Sammy so long with that labyrinth? I can't wait to play with it again. Sam, how much longer?
No. Wrong way. Okay, almost there.
Well, I guess this is it. So give a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button so you won't miss our new videos. Bye! Sam, at least come say goodbye to our viewers.
Oh, right. See you later, alligator. Yay! I did it. Now I've solved all the labyrinth in the world for real. Woohoo!